उम्र का ये ताना वाना समझ न पाए रे जोबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे कि देखे न भाले न जाने लगाए रे दिशाहारा केमन बोका मनटा रे बकुल फुल सोना दिया हाथ केनो बांधाइली बकुल फुल
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it's a new video, it's a new day. Guess what is today? This video is for Falgun and for my non-Bengali viewers. I just want to take a minute and explain what Falgun is. A lot of Bengalis that live in like out of country don't know what Falgun is. I mean, I didn't know what it was until I got married to Ronnie, honestly, because my parents, they've been living in Italy and London for so many years and they've never celebrated Falgun before, so I really didn't know what it was until I met Ronnie and his crowd. So they started celebrating Falgun. So for the last 2 years I have been having the best time of my life this day on Falgun. Falgun is a holiday to celebrate spring, to welcome spring, and on that day we all wear our cultural wear, our cultural clothes. We especially wear yellow. Now with yellow you can either you can do like a color combo, and my favorite one is yellow and green all the time. Like last 2 years I feel like my eye looks were yellow and green, even though my eye outfit was like yellow and something. So yeah. But normally people do nowadays people don't really follow the tradition. They you know, they wear multicolors and still celebrate Falgun that way, and it's completely up to you. I just love the fact that you know, we don't wear yellow every day because it's not a really neutral color. So you know, it's this way I'm celebrating yellow at the same time. I feel like this is the best combo. It makes you feel really fresh, it makes you feel really earthy, so I just like it. Yeah, there you go. And yeah, it took me around 3 hours to make this video. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, because these videos and like the making process drives me crazy. I feel like I'm getting more comfortable in front of the camera and like talking to myself, honestly. I feel like I can say a lot more now than I could before. So it was good that I took a few months break and I came back as a new me. I feel like you know, I just didn't have the patience to edit. You know, I just wasn't feeling it because I didn't have many friends that were doing the same thing as I was doing. So I felt like I was just like the only one. But now that I have found a crowd which you know, they're all influencers, and you know, that kind of inspires me and makes me want to do this more. So yeah, from now on I will be back and I will be posting every Tuesday. But yeah, I wanted to help someone who was probably confused and would be benefited by my look. So yeah, let's not chat much and get on with the video. Starting with KIEHL'S Hydro Plumbing Re-Texturizing Serum on my face, we will start with preparing the skin. This step is really important to achieve a nice glowing makeup look and also healthier for the skin. Moving on to moisturizer, I am using Clinique Hydrating Gel, And lastly, applying Bobbi Brown primer, as we will be doing a heavy party makeup. We'll be using Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer throughout today's look. I am using this concealer first to conceal all over my eye. I chose to use concealer first as I will be playing around with today's look and I can still clean any fallout before applying foundation. We got to the most interesting part of this video. I will be using just ABH Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2 for this look. I have felt in love with this palette since I bought it a year ago and how pigmented it is. Absolutely love the color combo in this palette. It is a really thought out palette. I'm starting off with the shade D4 on my crease, and as you can see, I take a lot of time blending it all in. Using A2 to mix the two yellow tones together. And again, the better the blending process, the smoother finish you get. Then I am using B1 again on my lower crease and slowly blending it into my inner corner to create an ombre look. So slowly I will be using darker shades, and again, blending is key, guys, when using colorful shades especially. E3 is probably the last shade that will be going on my crease, so I'm not bothered to keep it away from my upper lash line. So far I have been tapping the product onto my crease and also blending at the same time, so there's a lot of product going on my eye right now. So I thought I'll just make sure I tell you guys, as you need to tap to get a very vibrant color. So now I am just taking a clean brush with a little bit of A2 shade and blending all the colors together. Now I will be using my concealer brush and concealer to get a defined semi-cut crease. Make sure you use a full coverage concealer, as that will help to give you more vibrant colors on your upper lash line. Here I am starting from the outer corner of my eye using the shade E3 and slowly building the colors onto my eye. Then using the shade C4 to enhance the color and giving it more depth. I will be also refining the crease using the same brush afterwards. So by now you will see a pattern in today's look, as I am using the same colors again but on reverse from dark to light. I am using B1 on the middle of my lid. Now starting from the middle and moving into my inner corner, I'm only using the shade A2. This time I am pushing my brush harder to take more product and using tapping motion for it to be really pigmented. Going back with a thinner brush and the dark green shade, I am refining and sharpening my outer corner and eyeliner line, giving it a more lifted effect. A Revolution highlighter on my inner corner to highlight. I will quickly finish off the other eye and come back. Now I am using this glitter eyeliner, which I'm not sure where it's from, probably from KIKO Milan, and I will be drawing on my crease from the inner corner to halfway. In your case, you can use any glitter you have at home. I will quickly finish off my eyebrows off camera as the tutorial is mainly based on the Eyelook. I am using one of my most favorite high-end foundation, Chanel Ultra Le Tint. This is a light foundation as I don't like using full coverage as they make me feel suffocated. And I'm gently blending the product on my skin with my Morphe Beauty Blender. I'm using my favorite bronzer from Too Faced. People who watched my previous tutorials know how much I adore this bronzer. So I am using this to contour and also going back to my lower lash line with a thin brush using the green shades used to do my eye look. Here is an exciting part where I wear these beautiful lashes from MAQS Lashes. They were so easy and comfortable to wear. My friend Emmy has given them to me and I can't wait to get some more. I'll put their Instagram on my description below. I'm using Huda Beauty's matte lipstick called Rendezvous for today's look. Before that I used a liner off camera. Lastly, to finish off this look, I used this Revolution highlighter. I'm not a big fan of Revolution, however this highlighter is a real bomb honestly, and also set my makeup with MAC setting spray off camera.
শালুক ফুলের লাজ নাই রাইতে শালুক ফোটে লো রাইতে শালুক ফোটে শালুক ফুলের লাজ নাই রাইতে শালুক ফোটে লো রাইতে শালুক ফোটে আরে যার শোনে যার ভালোবাসা আরে যার শোনে যার ভালোবাসা সেই তো মজা লোটেলো বকুল ফুল সোনা দিয়া
my eye look, especially because that's all that I've focused on. Hope it helped, especially that's the only reason I took 3 to 4 hours to do this video to help you guys. And also this whole look is done with one palette, so if you think you need more colorful green colors or bluish colors, this palette is for all the cool tones, like so all the colorful cool tones are also like green, blue, for all of that. This one, all my whole look was just with this palette, so it's definitely worth it. But yeah, and hope you liked this video because I have spent so much time doing this for you guys, and hope my look inspires you and you look as beautiful when you get ready for Falgun. For my Bangladeshi ladies, if you're in Bangladesh, go out, have fun, because you can do that. You know, don't just waste time staying home and like, you know, don't just waste it. Just go out and have fun while you can, because you know, I was so excited for this year. I was like, okay, no, I'm gonna do Falgun at my house. I'm gonna invite people, and I am so disappointed because we are in lockdown. Even though that can't happen at the moment, we can still dress up at home and celebrate with our family, and that's one of the reasons I didn't want to wear anything too fancy for this tutorial, because you know, these materials, I don't know what material this is, but you know, it's so comfortable. Normally I tend to wear more muslin saris and they're very uncomfortable, not gonna lie, but this was like my pajama. Yeah, I'm just talking too much. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell button, and keep supporting me. Your support is what I need to stay motivated and you know, to grow. I am someone who you know, likes doing creative things, and I hope you enjoy me every week. So until next time, bye.